Hey friends, it is Thursday. No, it's Tuesday, May 26th. Oh my gosh. All right, second to last assignment. Now, we're going to look at chords over here, up there, and we're just going to lay the chords out. Then we're going to look at the flats or sharps. This is level 3, so you're getting a lot more flats and sharps. Then we're going to determine over here, is it major, minor, or is it a 7th chord? So for today, if there are 4 notes, it's a 7th chord. Okay? If it does 4 steps, then 3 steps, it's a major triad. And remember, triad means 3. That means 3 notes in a chord. Okay? And if it jumps 3, 4, then it's a minor triad. So let's figure this out. So if I look at the first one here, remember the spaces are F, A, C, E. So the first note is 1 before F. Okay, so that's an E. And then I just map the chord out. I just go skip 1, play 1, skip 1, play 1. Right? So those are our notes, E, G, and B. Now, look over here. E's flat. That means it has to go down a half step. G doesn't change. And look at the B is flat. So the B has to go down. Sounds like this. Alright, so if we map that out, take a look at this. Here's 0. And then we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going 1, 2, 3. We went 4, 3. Let's look over here. 4, then 3. That's a major. And it's a triad because there's 3. If there were 4, it would be a 7th. Alright. Look at this one. This is F in the middle. A is above it. D is below it. Okay? So this is what we have. D, F, and A. Now look, over here, the D has to go down a half. F stays. A has to go down a half. Sounds like this. If we count this, this is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. We know it's a triad because there's 3 notes. We went 4 and 3, so that's a major triad. That's a D flat, major triad. Look at this one. We already know what this one is because there's 4 notes. This is what it sounds like. Okay. It's going to start on the F. But then that E is going to be flat. So it'll sound like this. That's a 7th. Now this is a triad. We have to determine, is this a major triad or a minor triad? I know it's a triad because triad is 3. So this is F. That has to be G. Those are our 3 notes. Remember when I made these notes, all I did was play, skip, play, skip, play. G doesn't change. Oh, look at the B. We've got to make that flat. And now we sound like this. Okay. If we count here, 0, we go 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a triad, and we went 3, 4, so that's a minor triad. Look at this one. I'm not worried about the flats or sharps yet. I'm just going to say that's F, A, C. And look at the F goes down a half, the A goes down a half, the C goes down a half. This is tricky. Okay, watch this. When F goes down a half, there's no black key here. So it goes down actually to here. The A can go down a half, and the C goes down a half to here. And we have this. Let's count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3. 4 and 3, we have a major triad. Let's do 2 more. All right, this is F, A, C, and E. So this one right here is bigger than A, smaller than C. That's a B. And then I just put my chord down. Now look at this. The B is flat. And then the D is also flat. It sounds like this. If we count that, we go here. 0, 1, 2, 3, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a triad. It goes 3, then 4. That's a minor triad. All right, this one, F, A, C, E. So that's a D. Boom, boom, boom. And look at everything goes down a half. So the D goes down here. This is that tricky accidental. The F goes down there, and this one goes down there. Sounds like this. Let's count here with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a triad because there's 3 notes. It went 3, then 4, minor triad. No flats, no sharps. This is F. A and C. Sounds like this. Let's count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3. 4, then 3, major triad. Let's skip this one until we get to one more 7th, so you can see that. There we go. That one's a dominant 7th, and we know that because there are 4 notes. I'm just going to map this one out because this is fun. So it starts on middle C, so it goes like that. Now let's look for sharps. The C goes up 1. That's a sharp. The E goes up a half. The G goes up a half. And then the B stays. It sounds like this. And if we counted this, we'd go 1, 2, 3, 4. So they would say that that's a major 7th chord. But as long as we know it's a 7th chord today, we're good. All right, good. Any questions? Zoom with me. Get on Google Classroom and check the stream. And let me know if you need some help. All right, have a good Tuesday.